Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you use WhatsApp a lot but hate opening the app every time just to check messages, this trick is gonna be your new favorite. Today, in this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your WhatsApp chats into a home screen widget on your Poco X7 Pro. It's super quick, super useful, and best of all, it lets you see messages instantly without opening WhatsApp or being marked as read. So let's get started. First, just find your WhatsApp icon like this, and then just press and hold the icon for a couple of seconds like this, and then until you will see small pop-up menu appear like this, and then right there you just tap on add widgets, just tap on it like this, and then once you tap widgets, WhatsApp will give you a few widgets options. Depending on your versions, you might see one for Meta AI and another for WhatsApp chats like this. And for this tutorial, we're choosing the chat widget because we want to see messages directly from the home screen. So just tap and hold the WhatsApp chat widget. Just just tap on add to home screen like this, and then just tap and hold the WhatsApp chat widget, and then just drag it onto your home screen. You can also make a new home screen like this. You can also resize it by tap on and hold again, and then just tap on adjust size like this, and then just dragging the edges. Make it bigger to see more messages or smaller if you just want a preview. In this tutorial, I will try to make it bigger, for example like this. And once it looks good, just tap on empty space like this. And it's done. Now every time someone sends you a message, it will show up right there on your widget. You can read messages instantly without opening WhatsApp and without showing the blue text. It's perfect for quick glances or when you're when you're busy but still want to stay updated. And okay, maybe that's it. Super simple, right? Now you have got a mini WhatsApp view right on your home screen. No need to open the app at all. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!